Hope you all are doing good. So welcome back again to my channel PK the Green Chef. So today again PK the Green Chef come back with some weight loss recipe. So the recipe name is instant oats dosa. So you heard about the name of oats. So we are making a recipe oats dosa in our kitchen. It's a very quick and fast recipe. And there are so many benefits of oats. The first benefit of oats is weight loss. Nowadays everyone wants to lose the weight. So oats is a very good source to lose the weight. And second one is it contains high amount of fiber. It controls the blood sugar level of diabetic patients. It also control our thyroid level. Whosoever has thyroid issue, they can opt oats in their meal, and it also control PCOS. It means there are so many benefits of oats. So, and it's a gluten free. You can make so many things from oats: oats milk, oats smoothie, oats chila, oats cutlets. So today we are going to prepare a instant oats dosa. Hope you like the recipe. Please like, subscribe my channel PK the Green Chef and share with your friends and relatives. And stay tuned with us for yummy and tempting recipes. See you soon again.
Hi friends, let's start the recipe of instant oats dosa. So here I am taking one ball, and in my ball there is a 250 gram of flat oats. Why we are using the flat oats? Because it contains high amount of fiber. So it's a 250 gram, or we also call it a 1 cup oats. Let's start.
After that I am putting fennel seeds, that is also called a methi dana, into this. As I told you earlier also, today we are going to prepare a recipe that is good for diabetic patients also. That fennel seeds is very helpful for diabetic patients. So that's why we have to put in our dosa. Now I have to put a water into this. Now I have to wash it 4 to 5 times and then soak my oats for 15 to 20 minutes. So before soaking you have to wash it 4 to 5 times. My oats is washed very nicely. Now I am going to soak it for 15 to 20 minutes maximum, like this. And after 20 minutes we have to prepare a batter for it. So 15 minutes over, so let's watch it again. Yeah, nicely soaked. Now what we have to do, now we have to put a salt. It's a Himalayan pink salt, 1 teaspoon I am going to put. Himalayan pink salt is good for your health. It controls your blood pressure levels. So always use pink salt in your diet. Now what we have to do next, now I am going to put 1 green chili into this, like this. If you want to increase the chili, then you can increase it also. And next I am going to put a half onion into this, normal roughly slices I am going to put into this. Now what I have to do, now I have to blend it and make a batter for dosa. Now why I have put only onion into this? The reason behind onion is when you make dosa in a dosa tawa, your dosa will not stick at all, because your oats, it's a gluten free. If you make without anything, it will stick on your tawa and it will not make it nicely. So if you want it perfectly make as a dosa, so you have to put onion. Half onion I am going to put. Now I have to blend it. See, my dosa batter is ready. It's perfectly blend. This dosa batter you can put in your refrigerator for a couple of hours also. Like if you make this batter in the morning, you can use in evening also. There is no harm to use this batter, but in the same day you have to consume it. So let's start to make a dosa by using oats that control thyroid, that control our blood sugar level, and also control PCOS and
high rich in fiber, and the main thing is it's also good for weight loss. So let's make it. Let's start the dosa. Here is my dosa tawa. Now I am going to put little bit olive oil. Here I am going to use olive oil for my dosa. Once my tawa is heated, then I am going to dosa batter into it like this. And slowly we have to flip it up like this. And your flame should be medium to low so that it can nicely cook. So let's flip it from one side. It is very soft, so be careful while changing the side. See, it is very soft. Like this, you have to flip little bit. It will down. Don't worry, because it will actually fall down as it is very soft. See, my instant oats dosa is perfectly ready. You have to roast it from other side also. Then I have to serve it with. Today I am going to serve it with tomato chutney. And I am going to close the flame and take it out in my plate. See, instant oats dosa with tomato chutney is ready to serve. Hope you like it. It's a weight loss recipe. It controls the thyroid level. It controls the blood sugar level. It's good for diabetic patient. It controls PCOS. So please try it in your kitchen and comment in my section how would you rate it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.